respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear students. I am honored to stand before you today on this special occasion, Science Day. National Science Day is a celebration of scientific inquiry and discovery that marks the anniversary of the discovery of the Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman on 28 February 1928. This day commemorates the remarkable contributions of scientists, encourages scientific temper, and highlights the significance of science in our lives. This day is not just a celebration of scientific achievements, but a tribute to the pursuit of knowledge that has shaped our world. Science is a beacon of hope, a source of wonder, and a key to the future. Science plays a pivotal role in the progress and development of India by fostering innovation, driving technological advancements, and addressing societal challenges. It serves as the backbone for economic growth, empowers industries, enhances healthcare, and contributes to agricultural improvements, ensuring food security. Moreover, science education and research are instrumental in nurturing the skilled workforce, fostering entrepreneurship, and positioning India as a global leader in various scientific domains. The field of healthcare stands as a shining example of how science has positively influenced society. Medical breakthroughs have extended human lifespan, eradicated life-threatening diseases, and improved the overall development of people worldwide. From antibiotics to vaccines, science continues to provide solutions that safeguard our health. Science has the power to inspire. It sparks our curiosity, wonder, and imagination. It pushes the boundaries of what is possible and challenges us to dream big. As we celebrate Science Day, let us remember that science not only provides answers, but also fuels our questions and aspirations for a better future. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Good morning. Myself, Pradhuma Thakur of 9th A of APS, Binaguri. Today is National Science Day. In India, National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February each year to mark the discovery of Raman effect by the Indian scientist C.V. Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman studied and analyzed the effect of light waves on the solids and liquids. He bombarded the photon particles on the solids and liquids. He found that when the light passes through the particles, then change in the color is observed. The reason behind this is they either gain energy or lose energy. Refractive wave of the color violet is the highest, followed by the colors indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am Adya Rathi of APS Binaguri of class 7th A. Our world is built on biology, and once we begin to understand it, it then becomes technology. The teaching and learning of biology is very important because the knowledge of biology helps in improving the quality of life and helps in solving problems relating to health, crop production, and environmental conservation, etc. It is a branch of natural science which is devoted to the study of life. It is the era of biotechnology which helps to overcome different issues. Microbes are widely used to produce antibiotics, organic acids, etc. This has become the improvement in the quality of life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. On the occasion of National Science Day, we the students of class 11 science are going to present some interesting topics from biology which are used in our day-to-day life.
By using a fragment of DNA, we can detect the person who has committed a crime. It is also used in paternity test. By gene therapy, we can correct the defective gene and replace it with the healthier gene. It can also used to cure the genetic disorder. To detect a disease, conventional diagnostic methods are used. This takes a longer time, but nowadays PCR methods is used which suspect the genetic mutation in a cancer patient. The golden rice are the gift of biotechnology, which are rich in vitamin A, and also the flavor savory tomato, which is a property of slow ripening for long shelf life.
It is the era of biotechnology, which helps us to overcome different problems. The patient suffering from diabetes mellitus has high blood sugar level due to deficiency of insulin. By using biotech, insulin is produced artificially by using reverse transcriptase enzyme.
Genetic engineering allows the breeder to introduce foreign DNA in living organisms including bacteria, yeast, animals and plants. Such organisms carrying the foreign gene are known as genetically modified organisms. Recombinant DNA technology is a gift of biotechnology.
In modern science, using biotechnology, we can use microbes to form biofertilizers. In this case, nitrogen-fixating bacteria like Anabaena, Nostoc, etc. are used which help in nitrogen fixation in soil, which is essential for the nourishment of soil. It is eco-friendly and replacing chemical fertilizers. Biofuel. It is reusable and produced through fermentation of crops that contain high amount of sugar, fat to ethanol.
Thank you.